Hello and welcome, students. Meeting you after a long time. We all write letters at some point of the time or the other. But do you know what is the proper format of writing letters? So, we'll start with informal letters and we'll see what is the format for writing them and how to write informal letters that fetch you maximum marks.
Letters are of two types, informal and formal. Informal letters are written to family members, to friends, and to others. Formal letters are written to the principal regarding school matters. They may be written as letters of complaint, inquiry letters, placing orders and sending replies, as job applications, and as letters to the editor. In this video, we'll learn about informal letters. Format of formal and informal letters are slightly different. So, first of all, one must carefully look at the format of informal letter. We start with sender's address, followed by date, salutation or greetings, then body of the letter or content, then subscription, the address on the envelope or superscription. Now, carefully see the form or structure. Sender's or writer's address should be written at the top left hand corner. Date is written below the sender's address. Salutation should be written below the date, leaving a space of a line. Salutation means dear or my dear, etc. Body of the letter is written below the salutation. The content may be written in more than one paragraph depending on its length. Subscription is written in the bottom left hand corner. Subscription is nothing else but closing compliments such as your friend, your son, etc. Superscription is receiver's address and is written on the envelope. Hence, it is not a part of the main format in informal letters, but it may be written in a box on the bottom right hand corner. There are some important points to remember. Unless mentioned in the question, one must write the same date on which one is writing the letter. The salutation to the family members and friends may be dear followed by the name or the relationship. For example, dear Swati or dear mummy or my dear, followed by their names or the relationship with the writer. To others, it may be written dear Mr. So and so or Mrs. So and so. Body of the letter should be written in a simple and natural style. Content may be long. The content is usually longer than that of a formal letter. Subscriptions such as yours affectionately, your loving son, etc. may be used for family members. Your friend may be used for friends. No apostrophe is used in yours. Now let's see some sample letters. So we start by writing the sender's address. 22A Indira Nagar, Lucknow, and then the date 22nd December 2019. Then the salutation, my dear Akhil. And then we start writing the content or the body of the letter. I hope everything is fine at your end. In this letter, I am sharing with you my unbridled joy in visiting my grandparents' home in the village. During vacation, I went to my ancestral village. My cousins and I enjoyed strolling in the green fields. Climbing trees and plucking fruits was so delightful. Oh, what an enjoyable experience was it to play gilli danda with my cousins and village friends. Swimming in the village pond was another fun sport that we enjoyed together. These fun filled activities with practically no equipment not only have health benefits but also lend immense pleasure. These outdoor activities are rare in urban life. I feel bad that I had to return from there so early. Truly, village life is a blessing. And then the subscription. Your friend Prabhas. Let's see another sample letter. Room number 77, Naunihal Hostel, IT College, Lucknow. 10th July 2018. My dear mom, I hope this letter will end all your worries about my stay away from you and home. There is absolutely no difficulty in the hostel. After the initial days of introduction, now I have adjusted well here. I have very fine girl as my roommate. Her nature and habits are similar to mine, and we live like sisters. You needn't worry about the food. The food served here is good. The dining hall is clean and spacious. Our warden takes good care of us. There is also provision for both indoor and outdoor sports. The atmosphere here is perfect for studies. I am doing fine here. Please do not worry about me. With love, yours affectionately, Monica. Thank you.